Hi everyone, welcome to Dynamics 365 Business Central video series. So this video I'm going to talk about very special feature available in Business Central. I think they have released it on last year if I'm not mistaken, but very useful feature, especially the finance department, finance user, as well as audit purpose. We can use this feature. This feature we call analyze feature. So when I go to the pre-sales demonstration as well as customer demonstration, so special feature I'm showing this analyze feature except for this account schedule. So let's see how this analyze feature works. Right. I came to the general ledger entries. Normally, when it comes to audits, as well as when we are analyzing financial transaction, GL transaction, it can be GL transaction, vendor related transaction, customer ledger related, as well as item related transaction. Whatever happened, normally as per my experience when I'm working in finance department, sometimes CEO, CFO asking for some details. They suddenly ask you that they need to have customer value. I need to have summary of customer outstandings. I need to have summary of inventory availabilities. So in my fast practice, I have to extract those details from ERP system to Excel, and I had to do some pivot tables and pivot mappings and some different kind of Excel works. But now you don't need to do that in Excel, as well as you don't need to extract those into Excel directly. You can do that in Dynamics 365 Business Center itself. It's especially for the audit purpose. If you want to get any audit related transaction summary, transaction values, you can do those stuffs in Business Center itself without extracting to the Excel. Let me show you how it's happened. Now I am in general ledger entries, right? Under general ledger entries, I have different GL accounts, I have different posting dates and different document numbers, different values, but I just wanted to get these values. I just wanted to summarize these values to these amounts to GL account wise. I have a lot of GL accounts here, but I wanted to get summary of this GL values. How I have to do? Simply, I have to go for the analyze feature. Just one click, system convert into analyze mode as well as pivot mode. Under pivot mode, you can set up as you want. Right. Let me read this first. Right. Here are the tables, fields I have in Business Central under the general ledger entries. Now I'm going to do what? I'm going to summarize. I'm going to categorize this GL account. So I have to do that. I want to group that based on GL account. So what I have to do is I'll click here and drag it to row groups. Once I dropped it, system automatically group this to the GL account number. So if I expand this, you can see we have only one entry for this account. We have a lot of entries for this account. Right. Let me hide few fields. So I'll hide document type, document number, description, department code, customer. So I want to get value actually. Right. Customer group. Right. I have deleted. I got only the useful fields only. Right. Now again coming back to now it's in pivot mode. I don't have any values. Now I want to get values for these groupings. Simply what I have to do is I have to click on this amount and drag into values. Right. Once I run it, this sum of the values are computed, as well as we can get Copilot support in order to do that. I'll give you a separate video for that. Right. See, this GL account is the balance. For 9250, we have 52 entries. The total is 4288.22. If we expand it, see, we can see the GL values. Right. If you want to get this to Excel, simply you can click like this and you can export it to Excel. And another thing, not only that, if you imagine you want to we don't have date, right? Right, posting date. We have posting date. So right now we have to group it to the posting date. Then we want to group it to account. Now you can see. First system group for the date, then system group it to the GL account. See how it happened. Almost like Excel, very simple to understand. So you don't need to do any Excel. So after that, if you want, you can move to pivot mode and get this as a report. If not, you can go to the analyze filters. There are filters. So imagine, right, let me go to the columns first. I'll delete posting date. Right, you want to analyze it, which means if you want to get before, some date, or if you want to get after some date, or imagine now we have minus values. Now if you go to the amount, we want to get let's see greater than 0, right? You will get all the plus amount except for 0. Likewise, you can set up some parameters in order to get those values. So this is how this analyze feature works. So you can test this feature, especially this is very useful. I'm 100% guaranteed. If you thorough this feature, you can generate lot of reports. Actually, you don't need to spend for the report customization. Most of the report you can get that, because why? It's not only available in the general ledger entries. It's available in, let's go to the customer ledger entries. It's available in customer ledger entries. You can go to the this mode and let me right, let's group it to the customer and let's get the outstanding remaining amount. Okay, under that customer we have see the outstanding balances. Only document date, document type, document number, don't need these fields, just only values. Right, here we have outstanding balance. Likewise, same thing available in the general posting vendor ledger entries as well as item ledger entries. Actually, it's available everywhere. You can get that reports from everywhere without any customization by user itself. That's how this analyze feature works. It's very useful feature. So you just go through this feature if you want, especially for the finance purpose, finance department requirements. I'm suggesting this analyze feature because we can get lot of records, lot of audit related reports through this analyze feature. So that's how works analyze feature, guys. So let's meet up with another video. So this is another kind of very informative video. So until next video, stay safe. Thank you, guys.